Do you know what is allotropy and different types of carbon allotropes? Allotropy is a property of an element to exist in more than one physical form having same chemical properties but different physical properties. Allotropes of carbon are diamond, graphite and fullerene. Let's study each one of them. In diamond, each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms through a single covalent bond, forming a rigid 3-dimensional tetrahedral structure. Thus, diamond is a hard substance. In graphite, each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms in the same plane, giving a hexagonal array. One of these bonds is a double bond, and thus the valency of carbon is satisfied. Graphite structure is formed by the hexagonal arrays being placed in layers one above the other. Graphite is soft and hence can be easily breakable. Fullerene has carbon atoms arranged in the shape of a football, and it has both single and double covalent bonds. From these structures, we got to know that allotropes of carbons are the arrangement of carbons in different fashion having same chemical properties but different physical properties.